This is Joe, Big Joe's Outdoors. We're gonna come in here and take a quick look at the new girl. Please don't need to be in here. She's a little skittish. She's hiding. There she is. She don't look like she's lost any weight, so she's got to be eating. Not really gonna get to see her much till the weekend, but she looks like she's doing all right. Looks like the ducks have been sitting on the fence pooping on everything. She's doing good. I want to keep her friendly because she's going to be one of my breeders. I'm hoping she stays pretty friendly. Come on, girl. Yeah. Yeah, look at you. You're a little dirty, but you're doing good. Alrighty. Let me go finish doing my chores. Got to finish watering these guys. So she's doing great. This is part 3 of a little thingy, and thanks for watching. See y'all in the next one.